How to return on Goat app. Here are some steps you can do to return on Goat app. After you open your Goat app, go ahead and go to the profile page, then click Setting on the top left corner of your screen. Then, after you click the settings, just scroll down until you see the support page. After you saw it, just go ahead and click on it. After it brought you to the support page, just go ahead and click the Contact Us on the top right corner of your screen. For some people who don't know what is return in the Goat app, the return feature in the Goat app allows users to return purchased items that they are unsatisfied with or no longer want. It ensures that customers can send back shoes or apparel within a specified return window, typically for a refund or store credit, provided the items meet the app's return conditions, such as being unworn and in original packaging. After you click the Contact Us on the top right corner of your screen, it will show you something like this, but just go ahead and click the New Request. And then, after you click the New Request on the top right corner, just fill up the return form. For example, the email address, subject, full order number, product type, and the description. And after you are done filling up the information to return, just click the Submit button on the bottom of your screen, and after that you're all set. But here are some things you need to remember when returning something. You have 3 days to request a return from the day you receive the item. And once they receive the item will be evaluated before your refund is made. Once they process your return, they will refund the amount you paid for the item in the Goat credit, minus the shipping cost to and from you, as well as any priority processing fee paid. And that's all of it you need to know. Hope this been helpful to you somehow. If you find this intriguing, just click like and subscribe if you don't mind, but that's it then. Thank you.